Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the beautiful 38 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This one's powered by the 600 V12 Mercs with joystick drive. This is just a great boat to do anything offshore or inshore you want to do. It's a great boat for entertaining, but it's one heck of a dive boat and fishing platform as well. Coming aboard, you'll see we've got a lot of extra seating back here in the cockpit. However, these seats tuck away nicely and give you great combings for your fishing and a lot of extra space to get to the fish boxes in the floor for your scuba diving or fishing needs. This one's got the beautiful teak package on it too. This just really sets the boat off. It's gorgeous. You'll notice even the weight holders down below are the teak. This one's got a great electronics package on it. We've got twin Simrad screens here. We talked about the joystick drive, which is going to give you autopilot and all the great features that comes with that. I like this feature a lot. Air conditioning at the helm. Of course, we've got air conditioning down in the cabin, and even though this is a center console, we've got a very spacious cabin down below with the really nice head. Uh, Moving forward, another thing this boat's great for, if you're trolling for fish or just need some extra jump seats, these are great. They're tucked away nice and neat, but they're still under the shade. This boat comes with the optional bow shade too. We don't have it up right now, but check out this beautiful lounger up on the front here. Big enough for 3 or 4 people. We've got electrically activated loungers in the front, electrically activated table. However, all of these cushions come off. So if you're doing some serious fishing, you can take all the cushions, get them out of your way. This boat's already equipped with radar, remote control spotlight, everything you need to enjoy a day on the water or a night on the water. And let's go check out the cabin. You'll notice even though it's a center console, we've got a very spacious cabin down below. A lot of luxury down here. And I love the vessel sink that we have on here. And then check out the head compartment on this boat. It's actually a very nice head system. It's got a little drop down teak bench for the shower. So it's a great boat to do a little bit of everything with. You'll notice also we've got some rod holders down below. So once we lock the cabin up, we can keep all your expensive fishing gear tucked away and safe. This is just one of our many great offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. My name is Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you. Come see us.